Hello.
Hello po, good evening.
Good
Good
morning. Good
morning.
umaga na. Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning po.
Ayan, parang ang hinhid mo naman. Kinakabahan ka ba?
May medyo nakakakaba pala 'to.
Hindi ko alam kung saan yan nanggagaling yung kaba ninyo. Bakit? Ako lang na makakwentuhan ninyo. Mm. Alam mo pag,
Hello
pag nasa mall
po.
ako, pag nasa ganyan, may nakakasalubong sa akin. Ang bukang bibig nila, alam galit ka na naman kagabi. Parang ha? Day off ko kaya last night, wala ako. Ibig sabihin, yun na lang naaalala nyo sa akin. Lagi na napagalitan. Hindi niyo maaalala 90% ng ng air ko dati tsaka live ko. Ang harot ko. Naalala yung 10% na may napagalitan, no? Ano ba yan? Ang pangalan po,
Dash na lang, Dasha.
ano na po?
Dasha, D-A-S-H-A.
Basha?
Dasha, letter D instead of B.
Dasha.
Yes,
Oh, parang dashcam.
yes.
Hmm. Anyways, ilang taon na si Dasha?
28 po.
28. And you're calling from what part of the world, Dasha?
Muntinlupa.
Muntinlupa. Nandiyan ako kanina eh.
Ay, sayang wala ako ngayon dun.
Ayun,
Hindi
nasan
ka
ka,
man lang nasalubong.
nasan ka ngayon? Yun dapat ilagay natin.
Ngayon po. Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong. Nandiyan din ako kanina.
Hindi na naman kita nasalubong.
Hindi kasi nagkita kami ni Gandang Kara. Kumain kami ng dinner kanina.
Sana all my date.
Kumain ng dinner, hindi nag-date. Baba naman
Ganun na.
Ayun, hindi nag-dinner lang kami dyan sa may, di ko alam ano pangalan. Basta Japanese restaurant. Ayan. Dasha, 28 from Mandaluyong. Anyways, Dasha, anong ginagawa mo sa buhay?
Madami pero hindi nababayaran. Charan.
Bakit?
May business naman po. May business naman. Online business.
What's your business?
Food business.
Food business. Ano binibenta mo?
Yes. Iba-iba mga usually Spanish food.
Spanish sardines.
Pwede po.
Marunong ka gumawa nun?
Hindi. Hindi ako nagluluto.
Anong Spanish food? Mga paella, ganon.
Yeah, mga gano'n po.
Diba? Kasi karamihan ng food natin Spanish inspired eh.
Opo.
Di ba?
Pero hindi ako nagluluto. Taga-benta lang.
Okay. Anyways. Are you married?
No po. Not yet.
Not yet. So, are you engaged?
Yes, engaged po.
Oh, nice.
1 year na din.
Okay. How long were you together before nagsabi siya ng engagement?
A month before our 5th anniversary.
So, practically 5 years kayo, tapos nag-ano siya. So,
yes, 1 year na kami engaged.
So, 6 years na kayo magkakilala all in all.
Yes.
How did you guys meet?
Sa Yellow dating app.
Yung letter B?
Yes.
At least may nagkatuluyan dyan eh, no? Okay. Anyways, anong work ni fiancé?
Currently OFW po.
Asan siya ngayon?
UAE.
Anong part ng UAE? Dubai, Abu Dhabi?
Somewhere na lang doon.
Somewhere out there beneath the pale moonlight. Oh. Anyways, 1 year na. Gano'ng katagal na kay LDR?
Third year na ata ngayon.
Ano na?
Hindi pala. Second year pa lang.
Second year pa lang. Okay. Nagkita na ba kayo after niyang magpunta ron?
Yes po. Bago siya umalis.
Okay.
Nakaalis lang niya ulit na few months ago.
Okay. So parang yearly siya umuwi?
Yes po.
Ay, nako. Sige. Ano ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon?
Isa. Nung una ko kayong gusto makausap, na ano ko yung flow sa utak ko kwento, pero nawala-lost ako. Ano pala dito? Sorry. Ayun, ano po, kasi 1 year na nga kami engaged, tapos 6 years na kami. Medyo may delays ng kasal kasi syempre sa work niya, tapos sa family ko, ganun.
Anong work niya doon?
Basta technician, ganun.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yan. Kailangan din naman siya umalis. So, okay lang. Tapos, sa side ko, medyo complicated kasi yung family. So,
Bakit?
doon ako nahihirapan. Kasi yung dad ko, matanda na siya. Tapos, kahit marami kami, 2 lang kami naiwan sa kanya. So, mas ako yung nag-aalaga, ganun. Tapos, mahirap umalis-alis. Strict din siya. So, the first years ng relationship din namin, nandun yung bawal lumabas, bawal makipag-date, sa bahay lang. Kaya until kailangan na yung umalis-alis siya. So, medyo naglalakas na ako ng loob minsan na umalis-alis, sumama-sama, ganyan. So, okay naman. And then, yun, na-engage kami. Siyempre, hindi sila happy. Kasi, mawawalan ng tagapag-alaga, ganyan. Nag-aasikaso. So,
Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
sa side po ng mami ko, 3 kami. Kami yung kasama niya sa house. So, ngayon 2 na lang na kasama sa house.
Okay.
Yan po. Ano ba? Na-explain ko naman, tsaka lagi ko naman din ino-open up doon sa fiancé ko yung situation. Alam din niya. Naintindihan niya. Pero yun, yung feeling ko, syempre pag tumatagal, nakakasawa din yung ganun, diba? Yung pag-iintindi.
Are you speaking for yourself or you are assuming what he's feeling?
Assuming na minsan nararamdaman mo rin syempre na...
No, you could be wrong.
Yeah.
You could be right, but you could also be wrong. Tama, mali?
Plus more on siguro kasi natatakot ako na baka diba, napakagod yun.
Well, it's good that you are that sensitive sa nararamdaman ng jowa mo. Sa madaling sabi, na hindi ka makawala dun sa sa bahay ninyo because
exactly.
You have your father to take care. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. Kung wala ka, sino mag-aalaga sa tatay mo?
May kapatid pa ako pero syempre hindi full-hearted na mag-alaga. Kaya naman mag-alaga pero mahirap pag mag-isa lang kasi may anak din siya, ganun.
So ikaw talaga yung...
yung mas hands-on.
They rely on you. Kaya pala kanina sabi mo, hindi nababayaran. Parang gano'n. Hiwalay ang mother and father mo, no?
Yes po.
So sa nanay mo, 3 kayo doon?
Sa other first family, meron pang iba. Pero may kanya-kanya na rin buhay.
Hindi, sa tatay mo, ilan anak ng tatay mo?
8.
Ilan doon ang sa nanay mo? 3?
3 lang, yeah.
So meron pa siyang 5 after ng 3. So, kumbaga second batch. Hindi maasahan yung mga yon.
Hindi na, kasi hindi naman din maganda yung relationship nila. So
hiwalay na rin yung father. Hiwalay na rin yung father mo doon sa pangalawa mo.
Okay. Yung unang family, hiwalay na siya. Kami yung second.
Kayo yung second.
Okay. So may kanya-kanya na rin buhay sa kapamilya, so hindi na rin naman siya naasikaso. Tapos yung relationship nila hindi din naman ganun ka-strong. So parang hindi siya priority, ganyan.
You are 28 years old right now. No? At
Yeah.
what age did you start looking after your father?
Full time, like, before 18 o 17 talagang,
Ikaw na.
ah. Pero yung before that marunong na ako mag-asikaso sa kanya. Mas nag-aasikaso na rin kasi wala naman kaming helper, ganyan. So, kami lahat.
Okay.
Kasi ano din siya, matanda na siya nung pinanganak kami. So, ano na talaga siya. Tapos senior na nung dumating kami. So, alagain na, gano'n.
Well, obviously we cannot at any point assume the thoughts of your boyfriend. But if you're telling me that you've been hands-on sa tatay mo even before you met your boyfriend and he knew all of this, hindi kaya tanggap niya na this could either be a part of your existence sa buhay niya?
Tanggap niya naman, pero nandun din siya sa, alam niya yung desires ng puso ko minsan na gusto mo rin kumawala, gusto mong magkaroon ng sariling buhay,
So,
makaranas
okay,
na
now,
sinasweldohan, gano'n.
sige, ganito, Dasha. So this has little to do with your boyfriend. Kasi kanina, siya hindi sinasangkalan mo eh. So this has little to do with him. This has a lot to do with you. Para malinaw tayo. And it's not
Mas
wrong.
naman talaga yung problem sa side lang
It's
naman.
not wrong hindi mali yun. Hindi, kasi kanina sabi mo sa akin, baka maumay siya. So it's not about
Kasi
him.
kung ibang tao, diba, kung gano'n siya sa mauumay, mapapagod. So,
No, we have established that already, that's your assumption of how perhaps he feels, tama?
yeah.
Okay. But that did not come from him.
Hindi naman.
Okay. So that establish lang natin. So this has little to do with him and a lot to do with you. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Hindi, para alam natin saan tayo pupunta sa usapan natin.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Saka, nandun din, syempre yung, parang minsan iniisip mo, alis ka na rin one day sa bahay, yung isipin mo pa yung kung paano yung sa tatay mo gano'n. Hindi mawala. Tapos syempre yung doon ka na sana yung comfort zone, ngayon lang yung buhay mo all your life.
I get you. I understand you.
Parang walang peace. Kahit na okay ka, masaya ka with your husband to be. Pero iniisip mo pa rin yung sa bahay.
If I can borrow some of your thoughts and try to rephrase what you just said, no, you're practically saying that you could be more than what you are now. Did I say it right? You could be more than what you are now.
Yeah, sana.
I get you. I understand you. I get it. Okay. What do you want to ask me?
I don't know the right question, pero I don't know how I will be balancing the life of being a wife and being a daughter. Pag kinasal na gano'n. Kasi, syempre pag nag-asawa ka, yun na yung priority mo. Diba? Parang minsan kasi parang unfair na rin dun sa partner ko kasi syempre mas less yung time na bibigay ko sa kanya during kami. Tapos baka pag nag-asawa kami, mas matanda yung tatay ko, diba? Mas kakailanganin din ako. So, parang sobrang understanding niya naman sa part na yan. Pero syempre minsan makakarinig ka rin ng thoughts niya. Yun lang, parang worried lang ako dun sa part na baka one day or 'pag lumala yung siyempre 'pag tumatanda marami ng iniindalala, 'di ba?
How old is your father?
He's turning 80.
80. Your father is at the twilight of his life. Tama?
Mhm.
He's practically, I don't know if it's proper to say this, but he's practically nearing the finish line of life. Tama?
Yes.
He is at that point where he is now old and gray.
Mhm.
Make sense?
Mhm.
I don't know if you're aware that tonight you called me, and yet there is nothing we can do to change your circumstances.
Mhm.
You're aware, right?
Actually, I will, yes, definitely.
Ano po?
Definitely, yes.
Yeah. There is no way that we can change your circumstances. Kasi kung may paraan ka, nagawa mo na eh.
Mhm.
Kung may sasalo, nagawa mo na eh. I think at some point, natanggap mo na that this is going to be a part of your journey. Looking
Mhm.
after your father. Making sense?
Yes.
I think nandun ka na sa part na yun. And it's just so unfair that I'm going to tell you that life is, that's that.
Mhm.
But if it's any consolation to you, I think rather than worrying so much about what your boyfriend feels about it,
Mhm.
I guess it's better for you to just be thankful sa kanya.
Yes.
I mean, he would appreciate that you're going to tell him thank you out on an ordinary day. Kasi, ano ako na aware ako, Dasha, that you're practically your worries are not for yourself.
Mhm.
It's it's that the fact that it's the fact that your boyfriend might get tired of the excess
Mhm.
baggages that you have in life. Tama?
Yes.
But he never told you this. Tama?
No need naman.
Yes. Maybe you just love him that much na iniintindi mo siya. Tama?
Mhm. Yes.
Let's try to think of the alternatives tonight. Ready?
Mhm.
Not at any point igagaslight kita. Okay?
Yeah.
If tomorrow you choose to just walk away from the obligations that your family members expected na ikaw na yung gagawa. If tomorrow you just choose to walk away from it, may sasalo ba?
Hmm, hindi ko sure.
I'm sure meron, but maybe not as the quality of
Yeah.
not the quality of caring that you give. Tama?
Mhm.
Pero meron, tama mali.
Meron, pero oo, yeah. Meron naman pero kasi mahirap siyang pakisamahan din.
So if tomorrow, say for example, I'm going to tell you, pack your things, Dasha. Prepare your father for a week and just go. May sasalo, tama?
Yung kapatid ko po kasi nandun pa. Nagagawa ko naman umalis
Mm.
umalis-alis ng
So,
a few weeks pero siyempre yung hindi natulad ng
Yes.
kasi kung like yung progress lang, like last year, okay pa naiiwanan pa eh. Pero ngayon, kailangan mo na siyang alalayan maligo, so iba na rin yung
So that's my question, my first question.
mm.
My second question is, would you be at peace if you're going to do that?
Hindi.
Would you be at peace?
Hindi.
Okay, now we have our answers. Tama. It did not come from me. It's practically from you. Tama, mali. So instead of worrying what your boyfriend feels towards this, mag-thank you ka sa kanya every time you feel bad about it.
Lagi naman.
I mean, to verbalize it is something else. Alam mo, you might have underestimated how much your boyfriend loves you. Do you know why I say that? Because he's aware of your situation. And he still proposed to marry you. Tama?
Yes po.
He is aware of your baggages. And he still asks you to be his wife. He knows exactly what he's getting into. I'm not telling you to exploit yung kabaitan ng boyfriend mo. But do not doubt how much he loves you and how much he is willing to take in for you. Did I make sense?
Kaya talaga din iniintindi niya. Kaya lagi akong talaga nagte-thank you sa kanya.
Well, that's good. That's good. This guy loves you. You found a good guy, right?
Mhm.
You found a good guy who's willing to walk your path.
Mhm.
Mhm. Who's
Kaya
willing.
ayoko din talaga maging unfair sa
Yeah,
kanya kasi I really want to give him what he deserves.
yeah, but you'll never know. For all you know, baka mamaya, this is making him happy. You know, I've said this many times now. We are task-oriented.
Mhm.
You never know, baka mamaya sa utak niya, this is a part of what he needs to do for you. Baka mamaya, Dasha, isa yan sa mga minahal niya sa'yo. Kasi mabait kang anak. Diba?
Mm.
In the end, we have established that this is it. That's that. Tama?
Mhm.
If your boyfriend can hear your thoughts tonight, what do you want to tell him?
Thank you. More on thinking lang talaga.
Well, I want you to say everything. Maybe kahit yung maliliit na bagay. Ano tawagan nyo?
Babe.
Ano na?
Babe lang po.
Babe?
Yes.
What do you want to tell your babe?
Ah,
Say thank you sa lahat ng, even the smallest things that you can think of. Go ahead. This is your chance.
mhm. Ayun, Thank you. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for staying. And thank you for not giving up kasi kahit ilang beses kong sabihin na let go na natin kung ano meron tayo kasi syempre ayoko nahihirapan ka or nagkukulang ako sa'yo. But you still chose to stay. So thank you for staying. Kasi yun na din talaga yung pinagdadasal ko noon na yung tao lang na makakaintindi ng sitwasyon. And yan. So yan. Yun. Save ko na lang po yung ito for the vows. Sorry.
Ano na?
Yun na lang. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. Yung iba save ko na lang for the vows.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Well, ulitin ko lang ha.
Mm-mm.
Stop trying to react to an emotion that you think he feels.
Mhm.
Alam mo, there's a saying that I go by. You wanna hear?
Mhm. Yeah.
Never assume the thoughts of anybody. So check it out
Mhm.
and ask question.
Mhm.
I want you to say it with me. Never assume
Never assume
the thoughts
the thoughts
of anybody.
of anybody.
So check it out
So check it out
and ask question.
and ask questions.
Did that make sense?
Mhm. Yes po.
Because right now, our problem is what you assumed he feels towards your situation. Tama?
Mhm.
You're okay. You are completely okay.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Now, do me 2 favors.
Mhm.
Ready?
Mhm.
Number 1, wag mo na siyang hamunin ng hiwalayan ulit ha. Hindi na para maramdaman pa niya sa iyo 'yan.
Aha.
Okay?
Mhm.
Is that a promise?
Yes po.
Second. Ready?
Yes.
Say hi to your dad for me.
Mhm. Yeah po.
Tell him I said hi.
Opo.
Alright?
Yes.
Thank you for calling, Dasha.
Thank you din po for your time. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.